Very nice. Looks great, easy to use, has ample storage and is well built and sturdy. Amazing product with better space. It is manufactured in 2020. I got it fresh conditions. Delivery also good with solid packing. No scratch. It is better for 4 to 5 member family. If temperature display out of body of refrigerator, this is also better choice. This was delivered 2 days back only. Ample amount of space. The sliding partitions are also very smooth, the door is heavy as expected. It was unclear from the product description whether it's a 2020 model, but great to know it is indeed a 2020 build. Not sure about model launch year when delivered. This review is based on 2-day usage. Click link in description for more reviews.